Here are the ingredients for the tomato taco salad. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cut up the onions, and then I'm going to put my oil in my pan. After adding the oil, I'm then going to take the meat and put it in the pan with the oil and the onions. Next, I'm going to grab my taco seasoning mix and put it in the same pan with the meat. Once I'm done pouring this taco seasoning mix, I will let this sit for about 8 minutes. Now I'm going to dice my tomatoes into 3 slices, making sure that the stem is facing downward. Now that I have diced my tomatoes, I'm now going to add in the meat, the lettuce, the cheese, and the sour cream. This is how it came out looking, y'all. Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to my YouTube and like this video and share it. Let me know what y'all want to see me cook next.